Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add your friend for crossplay on For Honors. So the process is very simple. All you have to do is just simply click on the friends icon at the top inside over here. Then from there just simply click on Ubisoft Connect, and next thing that you have to do is just simply add your friend if you don't already have him in your friend list. So just simply type his name over here and add your friend. So this is just an example how it will be. Now after your friend is added, what you have to do is just simply click on the joystick icon over here and an invite will be sent to him. Now after the invitation is sent, now after that just simply wait until he joins. Now as you can see, he have joined. So what you have to do is just simply invite him into your group. For doing that, the person you're trying to invite has to be your friend. Next, you have to just simply send him a group invite, which is over here. So after you send him that invite, he can directly join you, and then you can just simply play multiplayer or anything of your liking. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.